44 of the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup, and it is
Kolkata, and it is the famous Eden Gardens. He's host to two fabulous sides with a great history and a great rivalry. Previous winners, England and Pakistan, two sides that know each other well. Yeah, definite change in plan for England for a lot of the tournament. They were worried about the dew late in the evening and found themselves batting under lights and not chasing particularly well. They've changed their plan, albeit a little bit too late. It's an impossible chase. It is there is shape, it's low, it's slow, it's not great carry, but there's sideways movement. That's a real loose nut. The man short of confidence. That won't do him any good at all. That's where you need to be on here. Don't leave there, Harris Ralph. In the air, and just past Shaheen Shah Afridi. May have got a hand on that. Gets that away, square of the wicket. That would boost his confidence. First boundary for Bairstow and England. Overcorrects, two straight, four more. Has been the most expensive. That sounded nice. It is nice. Right. Pulled away beautifully, absolutely nailed by Johnny Bairstow. Yeah, he's off. Up over the years, and Butler needs 66 for 5,000. Mentioned that clearly. Oh, what's that hit? Has it hit a crack? It has not only bounced, but it's seamed as well over slip. That's been hit hard as well. That's the problem when you bowl poor deliveries. They go for runs, then you try and drag it back, and Milan puts you away for four. Hit beautifully, right out the middle of the bat and placed perfectly from Bairstow. Just a bottom hand punch for four. Uppercut. There is a third man in place, but it's well away from him and all the way, I think, for six. That's a brilliant shot again here in Kolkata, which has been cut away by Johnny Bairstow for another boundary. Brings up England's 53 without loss. Bairstow, as Athers was saying, just took a little festival in India. Tries to go up and over extra cover. He skewed it over backward point, but as DK was mentioning, it's a rapid outfield, and that's away for four again. That's a few though. That's a cracking shot. And there's one for you right there. That is Darren Milan at his best. Yeah, two shots really.
And there are definitely phases where you need to play it like a T20. I think in the phases
I've seen a lot of England fans actually. I think quite a few made the decision.
Oh, is that a catch? It might be. The bowler certainly thinks so, and Rizwan, now he's got up onto his feet, thinks so, and now the umpire thinks so.
Fielding's good. It's quick onto it, a good anticipation on the cap. Yes. Got into a very good position to play that. Bairstow looked very assured, despite the fact that he struggled with form through the tournament.
Pace right. It's better. Definitely much better. It also brings
again more runs at square of the wicket for Bairstow. Oh, and a misfield. Didn't pick it up cleanly, and it's gone onto the bat. Driving in there is Bairstow. He's been timing it so well, but this time around he's not able to control it. 145 kilometre an hour.
No, nowhere near. Nowhere near. Going down too high. The fact that Stokes is rubbing his thigh. Smash back, good point, dives. May have got a hand to it, but it doesn't stop the boundary. Yeah, you can carve That power play score is remarkable, really. Full toss. And there's no one at deep mid-wicket, Root placing it perfectly.
And that's been an issue for Pakistan.
It's unsustainable though, isn't it, for him to play? We go back to Pakistan, Ramiz as well, don't we?
Got it. Misses everyone. I think it nutmegged Rizwan. He tried to do a Dhoni and get his legs together and stop it with his pads. Shaheen into the attack and he drops another one. He put Milan down earlier. He may not have even got a finger on that. He definitely got a hand on this. Puts down the pitch, and he will make you pay if you put him down.
That's just rubbing salt into the wounds, drunk. So
now he's nearly just gloved that almost onto his leg stump. And the smile from Shadab tells you that it wasn't that. Placed, timed, boundary.
150 comes up.
Hit hard this time over extra cover. Stokes is putting his foot down here, wickets in hand. This time straight back past him and past mid-on.
Oh yeah! Stokes will feel like he's missed out there, and he's given him a lot of width. He's found the gap. It's not a big one. Ben Stokes picks up another half century in the tournament. What a pickup. Straight away you knew. Really running necessarily with speed, but he is getting the ball to speed across the turf. 200 up.
Stokes goes hard again. Grimaces a little bit as he hits it, and after. Oh, that's outrageous. Absolutely outrageous. What a breathtaking shot. So athletic. Suddenly just decides, I'm going. Oh, and he's edged that one. Well, that's a moral victory for the bowler, but another boundary. So Doc 4-6-4 in this over so far. Swing, and probably swinging down the leg side. Well, Tucker not interested. Quite sure what Mohammed Rizwan is saying. He was... This time goes again, but we'll only get one. We should highlight the fact, you're absolutely right, Lords, because different cricket balls at each end. Flicked away from Joe Root's pads and away for four. Very controlled shot.
Yeah, he's looking for this release shot.
Smashed away down to long on. Stokes is going to continue on his merry way. We mentioned. Goes for the scoop. And he gets bowled. Oh, God, that's a beauty. Play that. Late reverse swing right on the button. Stokes looking to come across the line. And
Shadab has found himself in and out of the team, and Joe Root, who hasn't been at his best either in this tournament, just... Well, we haven't seen that too frequently, have we, in this tournament? It's been a real struggle for Joss Butler, averaging 11 or 12. Slow ball, top edge, should be taken, is taken. It's the end of Joe Root. Deceived by switched him as well. The one to chase, didn't carry, not sure it carried. Ahmed Wasim diving away to his left. It was a very tough... Could be out. It's gone a long way up. Oh, I think he's okay. Well, we're going to have a look at this as Harris Rauf. He's not certain. He's at long on. Shadab can't quite believe it. Brock plays a magnificent shot down the ground. It was a length ball, it was in the slot to hit. Brook gets it away behind square. Overpitched from Shaheen. Overpitched again, high on the bat.
And can be, oh! It did hit the stumps, but the Bills didn't.
Brilliant. He was a West Indian of yesteryear called Rohan Kanai who made it all, and then Maxwell comes along and takes it to a different level. Now this is a concern for Pakistan. Good catch!
And then
Terrific catch!
Really good
Brady moving smartly away to his left. It was firmly hit by Brookie. Missing leg, but good bowling. Now, oh, gone! Brilliant fielding this. Harris Ralph at short third gets the throw away. I'm sure he's beaten Butler. Swung away, and as Moeen Ali does, it is swung away with such elegance and such ease. Slow ball completely deceives Chris Wokes. Bowling, brilliant from Harris Ralph. What an exhibition. Oh, he goes down the ground this time. Well, David Willey, playing his final innings here for England, is going to go out with a bang. Goes high. Long on, coming in, and takes a very good catch. There have been some good moments in the field today for Pakistan, and Iftikhar has just provided. Bowling, flattened that off stump. It is a very good in-swinging Yorker from Mohammad Wasim, who went for 14 off the. Oh, it's down the leg side. He got the length right. The length was perfect, but it just swung.
Playing host to tonight's fixture. The whole country is coming together to celebrate this weekend Diwali, the festival of lights, a joyous and vibrant occasion. It definitely may signify a fresh start for many.
Which was from 6 p.m. right through until 9 p.m. local time. At the moment is 6:26. You would imagine all due.
What a ball! Yes, that's good enough. Second ball from David Willey, and he can celebrate another ODI wicket.
Oh, we have.
It's good from David Willey. That's good. You see that?
With great footwork, getting to the pitch and not trying to hit it hard. It was all.
It's very well played. Hit again. I think we've seen. Using the feet and gone. Stokes takes a simple catch. And David Willey has 99 ODI wickets to his name now. He's one away from 100. His timing.
How cool is that? How good is that? Once again, the balance and the execution, world class. Aesthetically so.
Kiwis around the world can officially celebrate because their team is
pulled away with some disdain. Pakistan's captain. Class shot from a class player who's not had the World Cup, he would have hoped. Slammed away leg side. DK was talking about Rizwan's ability to play the sweep shot, the sweep slog equally. Pulled away straight into the hand of Adil Rashid at mid-wicket. That's an important wicket for Gus Atkinson. Garber is a terrific world-class player, and he's picked him up. Yes.
also picked up the wicket of Ian Botham that night. Alan Lamb and Chris Lewis.
Like your before, it's a very fast outfield. So
Now, has he got a little something on that? There was quite a bit of turn by the looks of it. The umpire says No, he doesn't think so. He calls it wide. Josh Butler says, I want the third umpire to have another. Nicely played. Pakistan bring up their 100 at the end.
Extra cover drive to backward point. Goes again, misses. Falls over with a bit of cramp as well. There is a degree of painful comedy in that dismissal of Rizwan. Beautiful bowling. Hit high, probably will be safe. Atkinson can't get there.
For me, over a period of time, if I see the ball
High up in the air, probably get away with it. I think he's got enough of it to get it away for 4. So Salman is going to place. Good work in the deep. Bowled around his legs. Sal looking to sort of just tap that on the head down towards fine leg. He's missed it. Must have been the googly to turn up and hit the stumps from behind his leg. He's got that fine. I'm sure he'll tear after it and won't be able to stop it. Let's run away. Hard sweep. Harry Brook again in the deep. This time can't do anything about it. Clips and chip well away for 4.
Top edge flying away, backpedaling, and taken in the end by Milan. That was an easy catch. He had to backpedal a long way.
best time to bat on this pitch was against a newish ball. That nicely hugged away.
That's wonderful from Rashid. He just bowled a couple that were turning away from the right-hander, and now he gets it to turn back in.
And a nod from Shadab.
Down on one knee, shines of Rudy and says, I've been watching this from the sideline. The use of the feet is effective. So maybe a way to treat the spinners at this stage.
Well, appreciably more turn, and that one went across on the angle. Again, game of cricket.
Take on New Zealand. India, the form team, haven't lost yet. Looking to lift it over the top. Ben Stokes completes another catch, and David Willey joins the 100 club in his final international for England.
Now close, surely close. It was so full. Yeah.